In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Assalamu alaikum. What is the theme of International Teachers' Day 2022? The transformation of education begins with teachers. World Animal Day is observed on which date? October 4. Which of the following won Women's T20 Asia Cup on 3 October 2022? Pakistan. Japanese professional wrestler Muhammad Hussein Inoue passed away on which date? 1st October 2022. In which Muslim country around 130 people killed during a riot in football match? Indonesia. What is the theme of International Day of Older Persons 2022? Resilience of older persons in a changing world. Who won the 2022 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine? Svante Pääbo. Who won the 2022 Nobel Prize in Physics? Elaine Aspect, Anton Zeilinger, John Clauser. Which country topped Global Innovation Index for the year 2022? Switzerland. What is the rank of Pakistan in Global Innovation Index 2022? 87. World Habit Day is observed on first Monday of October. England defeated Pakistan in 1720 by how many runs? 67. Saudi Arab extended the visa for Umrah performers for how many months? 3. First material law imposed on 1958, 7th October. Pakistan is expected to finally exit the grey list of the Financial Action Task Force on October 21, 2022. Pakistan was placed on the grey list of FATF in June 2018. Pakistan renamed about months on the grey list of FATF 52. What is the name of the application launched by Sindh Police to tackle street crime? Tilash app. Punjab Assembly passed a resolution strongly condemning binding comments on Pakistan's nuclear weapons on October 17, 2022. The United Nations International Day for the Eradication of Poverty on observed October 17. What is the theme of the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty 2022? Dignity for all in practice. Egypt won the final of the Street Child Football World Cup T20 in Doha as Pakistan finished in the second place. Chief Minister Chaudhry Pervez Elahi has approved the Master Plan 2050 for the Punjab capital city on October 17, 2022. Who won the title of the 4th edition of the World School Desert Sarfanga Rally? Shoaib Malik. Which Pakistani has received prestigious orders, arts, etc. disc letters award from France. Bina Shah, a female Pakistani writer. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, born on 17th October 1817. FATF removed Pakistan from grey list after 4 years 52 months. The Financial Action Task Force removed Pakistan from list on 21st October 2022. Pakistan was placed on the FATF grey list in June 2018. Pakistan had previously been on the FATF grey list from 2008 to 10 and 2012 to 15. ECP disqualified Imran Khan in which reference? Toshakhana reference. Under which article Imran Khan was disqualified? 63(1)(p). COAS. General Bajwa announced retirement on 29th November. Special Assistant to Prime Minister Syed Fahad Hussain was handed the additional responsibility of PM spokesperson. ADB approved dash in financing to help Pakistan aimed devastated floods $1.5 billion. Pakistan's latest airline Fly Jinnah to begin flight operation from November 1st, 2022. Who has become the youngest player to debut in T20 World Cup? Ian Afzal Khan from UAE. Which country will host the Asia Cup football tournament in the year 2023? The Qatar Football Association. Fitch Ratings has downgraded Pakistan's longest-term foreign currency issuer's default rating to CCC+.